everybody, I'm Lego Separate and I'm here to provide inspiration on what to build with Lego bricks. Today we're doing a 3-minute mini build where I try to make a Lego creation in under 3 minutes. I am pleased to announce today that Stephanie has won the prize for the best show-stopping cake in Hard Lake City. Yay! She needs to put somewhere to put it, and that's why today's mini build is this cabinet for holding a trophy. I will show you how to make it, and I will be introducing the pieces as I go along, so feel free to pause at any time in this video to see what's going on. So without further ado, let's start the clock. Okay, the clock is ticking, so let's get started. Start yourself off with a 2x4 base plate, but turn it upside down. Bring in 4 of these single round studs and stick them underneath this base plate. These will provide the legs of our cabinet. Turn it right back over, and now we're going to add the drawers. So bring in these side attachment bricks, but they are slightly inset. I find that normal side attachment bricks work very nicely, but I like to use these ones better when I'm doing drawers. Stick 4 of them here like so, and round here we're going to use standard bricks to help provide the woodwork that we need to make the cabinet look wooden. A 2x4 plate will go on top. Now, before we go any further, we need to add the drawers. So, 1x2 jumper plates on the front here, and another one just red to provide as the pillow. And like we did before, bring in bricks, standard bricks, to help provide the woodwork. But halfway through, we're going to add these L plates, or any plates that you can find, to help raise our woodwork a little bit. And then more of these standard bricks. On top, we're going to have a 2x4 base plate. Very nice. Now this brick, or should I say plate, is a side attachment brick plate because it's half plate, half brick. On top there, double cheese slopes. They're 2 little cheese slopes, but in one mold over here. Now bring in 2 of these 1x2 tiles. One of them will go at the back here, as you can see very well, and one over here, and we've done it. So there we have it. The cabinet is complete. I especially like the technique that I use for the drawers, and if you like, you can expand by making more cabinets with more drawers to hold items. But for now, we need to bring in Stephanie, because now she's going to have her trophy on the pillow. And do you remember how we raised it slightly? That's so we can comfortably put the trophy on the pillow, and it is a very nice display. I would definitely put it in my lounge if I had a life-size version of this, and so would Stephanie. So that's the end of our video today. I hope to show you more in the future. I hope that has inspired you, and until next time, happy building!